Hello everyone, welcome back to the FIXFLOW channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the AC power adapter wattage and type cannot be determined error on Dell laptop. If you are getting this warning message when turning on your laptop, don't worry, this video will help you fix it easily. First, we need to enter the BIOS settings. To open BIOS, now inside BIOS, look for the Adapter Warnings option. If the Adapter Warnings option is turned on, simply turn it off. After that, save the settings and restart the laptop. Now the warning message should be gone and the laptop will boot normally again. Sometimes this problem happens because of charger connection issues or BIOS settings. So this simple method can help fix the problem quickly. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the FIXFLOW channel for more helpful tech videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.